If you've ever wondered how some women make even the simplest basics look like they belong in an editorial campaign, this video is for you. We're not talking about trends or logos, we're talking about timeless elegance, everyday luxury, and quiet confidence through styling. That's the magic of the Ralph Lauren aesthetic. It's not about chasing trends, it's about timeless basics, elevated with quiet confidence. So in today's video, I'm taking you inside the elegant world of Ralph Lauren-inspired fall basics, but with a vanilla-style twist. Think classic silhouettes, soft layering, cozy sophistication, and pieces that move gracefully from morning coffee to evening wine. From elegant brunches to autumn strolls, from soft grooming to accessories that whisper wealth. This is your fall glow-up in motion. I'll walk you through a refined fall capsule, the basic pieces that whisper wealth, the ways to elevate them with intention, and how to style them for real life. Not just looks, but lifestyle. Let's romanticize our wardrobes and our lives together. And if you're new here, welcome to the Wealthy Women's Network. Be sure to subscribe for daily soft luxury content, fashion, elegance, and the lifestyle of your next level. Let's build a wardrobe and a life that feels like a Ralph Lauren ad, but entirely your own. Section 1. The basics every elegant wardrobe needs. Let's begin with the foundation, the core pieces that will build every single outfit this fall. 1. The cream knit sweater. Nothing whispers Ralph Lauren like a chunky fisherman knit or ribbed cashmere pullover in cream or oatmeal. This is your cozy yet elegant go-to for layering. Wear it on chilly mornings over a crisp shirt or tucked into wide-leg trousers. Cashmere sweater, linked below. 2. Structured midi dress in camel or navy. This is your I don't need to try piece. Wear it to a client meeting, a coffee date, or when you just want to feel powerful but soft. Choose soft wool blends or jersey knits, and layer with gold studs or a signature watch. 3. Tailored wool trousers in camel or taupe. Polished, flattering, versatile. These trousers elevate any top instantly. Choose a mid to high rise for a more refined fit. Pair with loafers for errands or pointed boots for dinner. 4. A classic button-down shirt, preferably in blue or striped. Instead of just white, opt for a soft blue or pinstripe for that equestrian chic feel. Perfect for layering under knits, vests, or structured coats. 5. A mid-length skirt, wool, knit, or tweed. For the vanilla-style woman who still loves movement and femininity, think elegant, not frilly. Style with knee boots and a belt for proportion. 6. Dark wash straight denim. Mid-rise, not too distressed, with a clean hem. Perfect for casual Fridays, brunches, or a bookstore date. Elevate it with a white button-down, gold earrings, and structured loafers. 7. Classic outerwear. The camel coat or equestrian blazer. We're not just dressing for the cold, we're dressing for the moment we enter the room. A camel wrap coat or structured blazer says, refined without a single word. Favorite fall coats in description. 8. Leather loafers or ankle boots. Polished shoes complete the picture. Loafers for day. Ankle boots for elevated casual. Avoid loud logos, choose timeless shapes and subtle craftsmanship. 9. Black tailored jeans or slim trousers. When styled right, black denim can replace trousers. Pair with a cream sweater and trench coat for a look that's polished but grounded. Shoes matter here. Try a pointed flat or sleek Chelsea boot. 10. High neck knit or cashmere turtleneck. Whether cream, gray, or muted green, this is a piece that layers beautifully under jackets and coats. It speaks luxury, even if it's from an affordable brand. What matters is the softness and fit. 11. Structured blazer, camel, navy, or Glen plaid. Ralph Lauren without a blazer? Impossible. Choose a piece that feels tailored but not stiff. Drape it over your shoulders or wear it with cuffed sleeves and confidence. Section 2. How to elevate your basics effortlessly. Now let's talk transformation. How do we actually make these basics look expensive? 1. Fabric and fit first. Look for natural fibers: wool, cashmere, cotton, silk. Polyester might be cheaper, but it shows. Choose structure. Even a simple shirt looks rich when it's tailored. 2. Stick to a refined palette. Ralph Lauren style isn't chaotic, it's calming. Opt for fall tones: camel, navy, ivory, deep green, burgundy, espresso brown. They layer beautifully and always look coordinated. 3. Bags, your outfit's storyline. Your bag sets the tone. A soft hobo leather bag gives you a more relaxed Ralph Lauren weekend look, while a structured satchel whispers sophistication. If you want to elevate a plain outfit instantly, swap your casual tote for a mid-sized top handle bag in deep brown, oxblood, or navy croc-embossed leather. 4. Add equestrian or heritage touches: a silk scarf, a gold watch, a leather satchel. These accents nod to old money elegance without trying too hard. Think of yourself as a woman stepping out of an English countryside estate, but make it modern. 5. Curate your accessories. Statement pieces can ruin a quiet outfit. Instead, opt for a cashmere wrap, gold studs, tortoiseshell sunglasses, or a leather strap watch. Section 3. Outfits for real life. Let's make this practical. Here are elegant outfits you can actually wear this week, inspired by vanilla style and the Ralph Lauren look. Monday morning. Grocery and errands. Cream jeans, tucked in white blouse, trench coat, loafers. Hair in a bun, structured tote, tinted lip balm. This look whispers, even errands are elegant in my world. Tuesday. Work from home Zoom day. Soft knit matching set, gold hoop earrings, slicked bun. Wear perfume. You're not dressing for the screen. You're dressing for your standard. Linked, knit sets, gold hoops, signature perfume. Wednesday, midweek dinner at home. Ribbed midi dress, ballet flats, silk scarf and ponytail. Set the table with candles and linen napkins, just because. Linked, ribbed dress, scarf, table setting kit. Friday, girls' night or solo date night moment. Camel trousers, black cashmere top, kitten heels. Pearl studs, red nails, confident posture. This look is clean, womanly, and unforgettable. Mid-length knit dress, belt to cinch waist, leather knee boots. Light fragrance plus gold jewelry. Candle-lit table. You're the definition of feminine ease. Sunday, elegant morning walk and bookstore stop. Navy cap, cream activewear, trench coat, fresh sneakers. Add a canvas tote with a poetry book and French hand cream. Linked, trench, cream set, canvas tote. Brunch at a garden café. Cream wide leg denim plus soft green turtleneck plus camel blazer plus croc embossed top handle bag plus oversized sunglasses. Optional, add a gold cuff bracelet and low sling back heels. Museum or bookstore afternoon. Knit midi dress plus plaid blazer plus tan leather belt plus riding boots. This is your curated but effortless look. Add reading glasses, even if you don't need them. Weekend getaway travel. Look dark denim plus white shirt, plus cozy oversized scarf, plus navy trench, plus ballet flats. Top it off with a leather weekender bag and clear lip gloss. School pickup or errand run. Camel vest plus turtleneck plus straight denim plus Chelsea boots plus sleek bun plus luxury tote. This is, I take care of my family and myself. Business casual meeting. Equestrian blazer, striped shirt, slim trousers, hair bun plus soft blush, candle or diffuser in background. You're ready for success, even through the screen. Section 4. Soft luxury moments that glow. Let's pause from clothes and focus on feeling expensive. Spray your perfume on your pillow. Invest in 100% cotton sheets and sleep in a silk eye mask. Read with a glass of elderflower water. or champagne. Diffuse bergamot oil while you work. Take a 10-minute grace walk after lunch in silence. These moments are the lifestyle. This is what quiet wealth looks like in real time. No matter the outfit, if your hair is brushed, your skin is glowing, and your nails are neat, you'll always look put together. My go-to, sheer gloss, soft blush, and one signature scent. Linked, silk eye mask, diffuser, bergamot oil. Section 5, the elegant mindset. Vanilla style is never just external. It's about living like you're already valuable. That means choosing silence over gossip, being fully present during a bath, saying no to plans that drain you, taking your time to get ready, even if you're not leaving the house. High value isn't performance, it's alignment. Section 6, your closet upgraded. This week, upgrade just one thing. Maybe it's swapping your old robe for a silk one. Maybe it's finally replacing the chipped mug with a classic ceramic one. Maybe it's finally buying the blazer you've had in your wish list. Make one upgrade and watch how your entire energy shifts. Comment your favorite upgrade below. We'd love to hear. The vanilla style life isn't built in a day. It's built in daily rituals, soft choices, beautiful standards, and timeless pieces that whisper wealth without ever raising their voice. If this video made you feel something, subscribe, like, share it with a friend who deserves beauty in her life too. See you in the next one.